Hey guys, it's Nick. This place is finally starting to look like a home. In today's video, you guys are going to see a lot of random projects going on, and basically everything that we're doing is pushing us that much closer to actually being done. There's a few things that aren't completely finished that you're going to see in this video. Let's start with the hardwood floors. We're having them refinished by Cowboy Mike. He's doing an amazing job. He has just a natural stain on it now, and it's still going to receive, I believe it's like 3 coats of sealer and top coat. So I can't walk on it, but I'm gonna peek in here just to show you. I do have some footage in this, you'll see in this video, of what I've done so far in the bathroom. I painted the walls, I laid the tile on the floor, and I laid the tile on the back wall and around the window. So there'll be more to come on that. I'm gonna finish the bathroom up as soon as possible, as soon as I can get in there. Man, these hardwood floors look amazing, and they're not even sealed yet. They look amazing. Great job, Mike. See, I put down all the cement board for the tile in here. These are where the cabinets are gonna go. The cabinets did get delivered. So those are gonna be getting put together as soon as possible. We did get all the doors up for the house. You will see some footage of me doing the screen doors. I had to change some trim, put the screen doors on. This door is awesome. As you can see, it's got the blinds in it. So we have our screen door on this one too. Sorry, it's snowing out. I also changed the garage door. You know, just basic steel fire door for a nice little entry door. We did get our front door on too, which looks amazing. Here's the cabinets. Yep, they're in boxes. Your boy's got to put these together. They should be fairly simple though. You'll notice there's only like 1 or 2 doors left out here, and that's because I've installed most of the frames, or I've taken all the bifolds downstairs and painted them. So I'll give you guys a quick shot of that momentarily. 2 more door frames that are hung and painted. Doors are downstairs. I just want to show you guys the yellow kitchen. Just got 1 coat up so far. I need to get some more paint, and I'll get a 2nd coat up tomorrow. It's going to look really nice. It's going to complement everything really well. So let me show you all the painting I've been doing in the basement to get ready for, you know, assembly basically. Get some lights on. So all the doors, you guys seen the molding in the previous video, but all the doors now have 2 coats on them, painted by hand by me. Very time consuming, but the product is, you can't match it. In my opinion, it's better than spraying it on. Comes out so clean. Really good attention to detail when you're sitting there with, you know, hand brushing it on. You can kind of see some imperfections in the door, and you can use the paint to kind of hide them. So I think it turned out really well. As you can see, we have tons of closet doors and even a couple of the regular hinge doors down here too. So I'll have 2 more that I have to paint when I get those done. I've been busting my butt, guys. I've been here going home like around 6 o'clock on a regular day, and sometimes later, like when I was doing the tile. You know, you only have so much time after it's set, after it starts to set. So I was here pretty late when I was laying those tiles in the bathroom, just trying to get stuff done. Here's the tile saw I bought. You guys will see me using that. It was from Home Depot. I got the diamond blade also. It's really, really good saw. It's making my cuts turn out like really, really good. So I even was able to do some trickier stuff that I didn't think I would. So anyways, there'll be more on the tile. There'll actually be a full video on the tile, and I'll even do like a voiceover kind of breaking down the process. But that'll be later on. I'll just include the little bit that I have now. So anyways, I think I'm about done for today. I've done a bunch of painting. Probably just gonna go home, edit this footage up, and get you guys out a nice video. But I do have to, this sucks having 2 houses, because I am gonna have to probably shovel. In this neighborhood, they like people to really shovel as quick as possible. So just thinking I could probably just do 1 tonight and 1 tomorrow when I get here. So Anyways, I do want to show you guys the front door though, so stay tuned and I'll be right back with you. So it's basically a blizzard out here right now, guys. I am going to do a quick pass on the driveway and then I'll just do it again in the morning. But here's the front door. Got the screen door up, storm door, whatever you want to call it. Turned out beautifully. Shout out to my dad for ripping this molding down for me on his table saw, because with the old style it wasn't working. So here's our front door. Really nice square glass design. I'm not sure what they call that. If anyone knows, leave it in the comment. It's not stained. It's kind of a mosaic. I'm not sure what that would be called. Maybe stamped. So in this door too, screen door, pull that, screen comes down, goes up, self-storing screen. This locks, everything fits really well. As you can see, need to adjust that spring so it closes on its own. That's it. I don't know if you guys can see in there. God, those floors look good. So anyways, I guess I'm gonna shovel this dang snow and then get home and probably do the same thing. So I'll see you guys. Hopefully I can get this video live. Today is Wednesday, February 2nd, so I'm gonna try to get it live for you guys today. Alrighty.